લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે બાયનોમિયલ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન એનો ટાઈપ 1 કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો. નાઉ ટાઈપ 2 ફાઇન્ડ એક્સપેક્ટેડ ફ્રીક્વન્સી યુઝિંગ બાયનોમિયલ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન. એક્સપેક્ટેડ ફ્રીક્વન્સી ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની હોય ત્યારે આપણે આ રીતે ટેબલ બનાવશું. x એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી ધેટ ઇઝ p ઓફ x, expected frequency that is p of x multiplied by capital N. Now first example, if 5 dice are thrown simultaneously, n is equal to 5. If shown 5 or 6, consider success. P means probability of success 5 or 6, that is 1 by 6, 5 or 6, that is 5 ni 1 by 6, 6 ni 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 3. Q is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Find expected frequency of different number of success. Number of success, probability that is p of x, expected frequency that is probability multiplied by capital N. Here capital N is equal to given 1215. Capital N 1215. Either 0 success મળે, 2 મળે, 3 મળે, 4 મળે, 5 મળે or 6 મળે. સોરી 5 મળે કારણ કે મેક્સિમમ 5 વખત કોઈન આપણે ટોસ કરીએ છીએ, સોરી ડાઇસ ટોસ કરીએ છીએ. પ્રોબેબિલિટી ઓફ 0 સક્સેસ ધેટ ઇઝ p ઓફ 0. પ્રોબેબિલિટી ફંક્શન થશે ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x, that is 5c0, p that is 1 by 3 raised to 0, q that is 2 by 3 raised to 5. 5c0 that is 1. 1 by 3 raised to 0 that is 1. 2 by 5. 32 divided by 3 by 5. 243. 32 divided by 243. 32 divided by 243 multiplied by 1215. 5c1 1 by 3 raised to 1, 2 by 3 raised to 5 minus 1 that is 4. 5c1 5, 1 by 3 raised to 1 that is 1 by 3, 2 raised to 4 that is 16, 3 raised to 4 that is 81. 16 multiplied by 5 that is 80. 80 divided by 243. 80 by 243 divided by 1215. 5c2 1 by 3 raised to 2, 2 by 3 raised to 3. 5c2 10, 1 by 9, 2 multiplied by 2 raised to 3 that is 8, 3 raised to 3 that is 27. 80 divided by 243. 80 multiplied by 80 divided by 243 multiplied by 1215. 5c3 1 by 3 raised to 3, 2 by 3 raised to 2. 5c3 10, 1 by 3 raised to 3, 1 by 27, 2 raised to 2, 4 by 9. 40 by 243. 40 by 243 multiplied by 1215. 5c4 1 by 3 raised to 4, 2 by 3 raised to 1. 5c4 that is 5, 1 by 81, 2 by 3. 10 by 243. 10 by 243 multiplied by 1215. 5c5 1 by 3 raised to 5, 2 by 3 raised to 0. 5c5 1, 1 by 243, 2 raised to 2 divided by 3 raised to 0, that is 1. 1 by 243. ખાસ ચેક કરી લેશું આપણે પ્રોબેબિલિટીનો ટોટલ 1 થવો જોઈએ. 32 પ્લસ 80 પ્લસ 80 પ્લસ 40 પ્લસ 10 પ્લસ 1. 243 divided by 243, that is 1. 1 divided by 243 divided by 1215. 1215 divided by 243, that is 5. 5 multiplied by 32, 160. 5 multiplied by 80, 400. 5 multiplied by 80, 400. 5 multiplied by 40, 200. 5 multiplied by 10, 50. 5 multiplied by 1, 5. એનો ટોટલ 1215 થવો જોઈએ. 160 plus 400 plus 400 plus 200 plus 50 plus 5. 1215. This is your answer. This is expected frequency. Now next, example number 2. 8 coins are tossed simultaneously for 1024 times. Find expected frequency of 10. There are total 8 coins. So P is equal to expected frequency of 10, probability of 10, that is 1 by 2. So Q is equal to also 1 by 2. N is equal to, there are 8 coins, total 1024 times આપણે toss કરશું એટલે capital N is equal to 1024. Probability number of success अथवा तो number of tail, any probability, expected frequency, that is probability multiplied by capital N. ઓકે, આઈધર 0 ટેલ મળશે, 1 મળશે, 2 મળશે, 3 મળશે, 4 5 6 7 8. મેક્સિમમ 8 કોઈન છે એટલે 8 ટાઈમ મળી શકે. ટોટલ 8 કોઈન છે એટલે 8 ટ્રાયલ. પ્રોબેબિલિટી ફંક્શન થશે. P અને Q બે સરખા છે એટલે P is equal to Q છે એટલે NC P of x is equal to NCX P raised to N. P of 0, 8C0 1 by 2 raised to 8. 8C1 1 by 2 raised to 8. 8C2 1 by 2 raised to 8. 8C3 1 by 3 raised to 8. 8C4 1 by 2 raised to 8. 8C5 1 by 2 raised to 8. 8C6 1 by 2 raised to 8. 8C7 1 by 2 raised to 8. And 8C8 1 by 2 raised to 8. 8C0, that is 1. 8C1, that is 8. 8C2 8 multiplied by 7 by 2, 28. 8C3 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 by 6, 56. 8C4 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 by 4 by 3 by 2, 70. 8C5 8C3 both are equal, 56. 8C6 and 8C2 both are equal, 28. 8C7 8. 8C8 1. 1 by 2 raised to 8. 2 raised to 8. 1 by 2 56. 1 by 256, 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 1 by 256. So 1 by 256, 8 by 256, 28 by 256, 56 by 256, 70 by 256, 56 by 256, 28 by 256, 8 by 256, and last 1 by 256. Total 256 થવો જોઈએ. 1 plus 8 plus 28 plus 56 multiplied by 2 plus 70, that is 256 divided by 256. Now capital N is equal to 1024. Capital N is equal to 1024. So P of x multiplied by 1024. 1 multiplied by 1 divided by 256 multiplied by 1024. 8 by 256 multiplied by 1024. 28 by 256 multiplied by 1024. 56 by 256 multiplied by 1024. 70 by 256 multiplied by 1024. 56 by 256 multiplied by 1024. 28 by 256 multiplied by 1024. 8 divided by 256 multiplied by 1024, and 1 by 256 multiplied by 1024. These are the expected frequency. 1024 divided by 256 multiplied by 1, that is 4, multiplied by 8, that is 32, multiplied by 28, that is 112. 4 multiplied by 56, that is 224. 4 multiplied by 70, 280, 224, 112, 32, 4, and a total 10245. This is your answer. Next, example number 3. 5 coins are tossed simultaneously for 800 times. Find expected frequency of head. Same as example number 2. Example number 2 માં 8 કોઈન હતા, અહીંયા 5 કોઈન છે. હોમવર્કમાં રહેશે. નેક્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 4. 5 coins are tossed simultaneously for 96 times. If number 4, 5, 6 shown or die called success, find expected frequency of success. This is die, not coin. P is equal to 4 or 5 or 6. That is 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6. 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. Q is equal to 1 minus P, 1 by 2. N is equal to, there are 5 dice, so N is equal to 5. Capital N 96 times toss કરવામાં આવે છે. Probability of number of success, that is x. Probability of success, that is P of x. Here P and Q are equal, so NCX P raised to N. And expected frequency, that is P of x multiplied by capital N. Capital N 96. Okay. Total 5 dice છે, એટલે success થશે either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. 5C0, 1 by 2 raised to 0. 5C1, 1 by 2 raised to 0. 5C2, 1 by 2 raised to 5. Sorry, but there are 5 also. N. 5C3, 1 by 2 raised to 5. 5C4, 1 by 2 raised to 5. 5C5, 1 by 2 raised to 5. 5C0, that is 1 upon 32. that is 1 by 32. 5 1 upon 32 5 by 32. 10 1 upon 32 10 by 32. 10 1 upon 32 10 by 32. 5c4 5 multiplied by 1 by 32 5 by 32. 5c5 1 by 32 1 by 32. બધાને મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે 96. 96 divided by 32, that is 3. 3 multiplied by 1 3. 3 multiplied by 5 15. 3 multiplied by 10 30. 3 multiplied by 10 30. 3 multiplied by 5 15. 3 multiplied by 1 3. This is your answer. Here our type 2 is completed. In next session we will start our next type. Thank you.